When I think about Roswell's partnership with Centurion, it's more than just the product. For model year 24, Roswell's engineering team worked directly with Centurion's PD&E team to bring you the Predator Tower.
All started off on a napkin sketch, actually, between Derek and Shane Stillman from Centurion. A lot of special, unique functionality. It works really well. The design of how it's blended in and part of this boat. So we had a long laundry list of requests and requested specifications from Centurion for this tower. One of the biggest ones and the most challenging ones was the ability to tow a rider from any position of the tower. But there are a lot of other features. There's lighting, there's catering to different speakers, there's board racks. We have the single racks as an option on the side, which is an added feature that got added sort of later in the project. A large canvas with a lot of shade cover or rain cover, depending on the day, as well as some unique features there with the ability to utilize our roll-up canvas. It was a lot of challenges to put it all into one functioning package that is also robust and sturdy to go on these boats.
Our code name for this project was MIA, and that stood for Made in America. This is going to be done right here at our facility in Rockledge, Florida, and we are super proud of that.
On a project like this that lasts 2 years, a lot of efforts, a lot of different people were involved. We have mechanical engineers, electrical engineers involved, as well as our whole manufacturing team. We needed to integrate with our production departments from an early stage of the design process to make sure that we could build it here, that it would work in the size of our CNC machines, that it would fit in our chem film tanks for our added corrosion protection, as well as working with the paint team on sharp corners, design features, etc., to make sure that we considered every step of the way. So early on in the concept stages of this project, as ideas were being thrown around on sketches, on paper, on iPads, and later on in CAD, our ability here to 3D print in-house and quickly visualize real geometry was another really invaluable tool in the development process. So one of the most special moments in this whole project was the first time that we had the first tower, 001, and Shane came to visit to be part of that final assembly. Robert came in also that day, and we looked at the tower, all of us together, and it was just a great moment. You couldn't help but smiling seeing this tower work, and to a degree that wouldn't be possible without that close cooperation with Centurion. So that's another really big part of, I think, the success behind this project. We test all of our projects here at Roswell extensively, especially something as complex as this tower is. Testing is a really important part. We do a whole lot of different tests. Shake table testing that we do to flush out any potential weak areas of the tower, as well as cycle testing, both bench-mounted cycle testing and testing on the boats.
It's a huge team involvement that we've had on this project, all the way from production input to the president, to sales and marketing, to product development team. So it's been a really good unified project between both companies, Roswell and Centurion.